Hey guys, it's Rob here with a new video. Sorry I haven't put out a video in a while, but I've been working on some of my own personal defects and stuff like that, just so I can make these videos a little bit better and clearer to understand. What I wanted to show you this morning is that in plate tectonics, they don't allow plate tectonics doesn't allow you to see things that are right there in the open and obvious. And I wanted to show you something here. Here's Africa, and if I rotate the Earth over to here, you can see what is not Africa. But according to plate tectonics, these are subduction zones. This is all kinds of stuff. Subduction zones here. But if you erase the theory of plate tectonics, I can show you that these are more than subduction zones. These are images of the creation of our planet, and I'm going to show you that because I'm going to compare Africa to this area. This has nothing to do with Pangea. This has nothing to do with anything from plate tectonics. There's no seafloor spreading taking place here. If anything, this is a subduction zone and this is supposed to be shrinking, but that's impossible over a long period of time because this comes from there. It can't be going there if it came from here. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. Here I have some images of both areas. They're different angles of the same areas, and they're different angles for a reason. Let me show you the coincidence of the tip of Africa and those features I just showed you right here. You can see that they fit. It's a little crowded, but watch. This looks like it's been peeling off. Let me show you the different angle of the same area. It's rotated actually. You can see this is now rotated this way. Look at the fit with the coastlines. You got this right here, but you also, if you look underneath here, you've got this. So there's a correlation here with what looks like something blew out and that continental shelf right there. Now, what I'm going to do though is, you see this point right here and this point. I'm now going to move this over to here because this is the process of rotation. In plate tectonics, there are no reoccurring patterns. But if you look at the surface of our planet, it's completely covered by reoccurring patterns. So who are you going to believe? The reoccurring patterns or plate tectonics, which you can't see? Here's that part rotated, and here's Africa again. Watch as I bring this in. You can see alignments already. Look. Just as I bring this point, there's this point and this point. I'm going to bring this point to there because it looks just like it. See how when I line that up, back out, line it up again, take a look at the features underneath. See when I move it around, you can tell that these are images of the process of movement. Look how it lines up with the coloration of Africa. The texture lines up with the colors on Africa. This doesn't line up with anything, but it will if I flip it around and upside down. You can tell that these are features that are related to one another that plate tectonics cannot explain. And if there's a geologist out there, go ahead and leave a comment and tell us how you can explain these alignments. See the point right there? It's not a coincidence, because when you look down here, you can see that the coastline matches the features right here, and it matches it no matter how close you get. You see this right here? You can tell that this is going to flip around and line up with here. See it looks like a mirror image of that? It might even flip a 180. Look at Australia and the tip, and Tasmania fitting up very similar to the tip of Africa. If this was a straight on shot, this would fill this whole area in perfect. As a matter of fact, if I move this away, you see that this looks just like the peninsula on Australia, but reversed, because it sat on top of one another. But there's more. You can see the features just naturally line up with the coastline. What's also odd is that you have a tip here and a tip here, as if this is the evolution of growth, because it's bigger than this one. But there's another tip. Let's see, where'd it go? Right here. And you can see it fits the peninsula of Australia. Oh, I'm thinking right now. But look how the similarities, though. They're too close to one another to be a coincidence. Anyways, this is just a quick video before I rush off to work. But I wanted to show you guys, because I noticed that my subscribers list has grown since I've been on my little vacation here. So I felt obligated to make a quick video for you guys. I'm gonna have a bigger video. It's just I have to work out a couple more issues, and then I'm planning on putting out a really big video. But look at the coincidence right there. You could fit this here, and then you could twist this around and fit this in here, because this is the process of twisting. Whenever you could see it right here in this fault line, this twisting, when you twist something, it narrows, and then if you pull it away, it's going to look like this. You can see that this is a twisting and a pulling away. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm going to start working on that big video as soon as I get home from work today. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.